How to create the highest quality inbound leads for your business using artificial intelligence. I was recently interviewed on a podcast with a gentleman named Carl White, and he talked about how we helped take his business, put it on the front page of Google in the map placement, and he is funding 17% of the phone calls that he gets into actual funded deals. You see, Google has just given AI the ability to choose which businesses rank on the front page of Google, and it is creating all kinds of chaos on the front page as businesses move around. In the last 90 days, I took a brand new website in our local marketplace and I ranked it in the #1 spot on Google using AI. We've then taken that and duplicated it across the nation, across all kinds of different businesses. And the reason why this is so important is because these are the highest quality customers. They are at the end of their buying cycle. They are ready to do business with you, and they pick up the phone and they call you because they see you on the front page and they read your 5-star ratings and reviews. These are just the calls that you need in order to actually grow your business. So if you want to find out if we can do this for you, go ahead, click the button below this ad, and we will get on a free consult with you, reverse engineer your marketplace, and see if it's a good fit.